Hi, today we will be procuring asset with an offsetting account. It means we will be having no vendor in this entry, only asset account is going to be debited and offsetting account is going to be credited. So I'll be using SAP Easy Access Path for navigating the T code. So let's just start with accounting, financial accounting, fixed asset, posting, acquisition, external acquisition. So F-90 is for acquisition from vendor and Abzon acquisition with offsetting entry. Let's open it. So this is the screen. For this transaction, I'll be using new asset dialog box for the creation of asset master directly from here, and we will be posting this transaction here only. So let's just start. So machinery 10 is going to be my description, asset class, machinery and equipment is going to be my asset class, cost center, so laptop north operation is going to be my cost center. So that's the requirement for creation of master data. So in transactional data you have to enter the document date. So my document date is going to be 1st April 2023. Posting date is going to be the same. Asset value date, let's say if your posting date is 1st April 2023, but asset value date if I select from May, then this is going to be the date from which the asset is valuated, and the same date is copying to depreciation area date, and from that date depreciation will start calculating amount. So my amount is going to be, let's say, 25,000 INR. Press enter. If you want to go to additional details, you can go and you can enter reference, offset APC, copy to assignment. If you want a specific note, then you can enter anything else. Go to simulate, press enter for the warnings. So this is going to be your transaction. Asset account is going to be debited and clearing, that is the offsetting account, is going to be credited. Nowhere is vendor in this transaction. So let's save this. Transaction has been posted into accounting principle, INDAS and US GAAP, and the asset has been created with this number. So press OK. Okay, if you want, you can directly go to the asset master from here. This one we have recently created, and you can see machine 10 as we mentioned is created. And also if you remember that the value date we have entered is May 1st May 2023. So that is the capitalized date, and the first acquisition date is for this asset, though we have entered document date and posting date on 1st April 2023. Let's go to depreciation areas, and you can see that the depreciation start date is going to be the same, which is we have entered in value date, which is 1st May. Let's go to asset values. So 25,000 is going to be the acquisition value, and it is valuated on 1st May. Double click, you will reach the transaction you have posted. If you go to asset accounting, you can see that this document has been posted. Let's see the transaction on another accounting principle. See, the document number is different. So that's how you post asset acquisition with offsetting entry. But this offsetting entry is normally used when asset is delivered on another date and the invoice received on another date. Let's say for example we have posted this asset on 1st April 2023, but what if we get the invoice on 1st June? So let's post the transaction, how we are going to post the invoice. Let's go to FB60, enter the vendor, enter the date 1st June 2023. My posting date is going to be same. Abzon is going to be reference, and my text business place transaction code, and the GL is going to be the clearing account. In my case, 25,000. Press enter. Currency INR. Let's just add tax. So I am adding 29 tax code, that is 18% CGST and HGST. Let's add tax here as well. Calculate tax. Now this is going to be the value that is the vendor going to receive after adding the tax amount. So simulate it. So that's how the entry is going to be for vendor. Domestic vendor is going to be credited. Off-sending account which was credited now is debited, and this is the GST, that is tax amount, which is debited. So let's save the entry. If we go to document and display, the entry will be like this. Let's go to FAGLL03 GL for GL report and copy the GL, paste it here, execute. So I have posted these two transactions, one for vendor invoice and this is for offsetting APC. So that's how whole process is going to be. Thank you.